Welcome students in the lecture series of Digital System Design, Digital Electronics. Dear students, as we know that the purpose of digital signal or digital information or binary information in form of 10110 in this way data, we have to transmit. It may be pulse modulated signal, or it may be digital computer input, or whatever the output of any circuit. We have to transmit it. So this binary information, suppose here 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. In this way, whatever the pulse modulated signal of any communication media, it's transmitted. So this is my sender device. Okay. Suppose there is a small company and having a single room and it's transmit through transmission line. And at the other hand, there is a receiver. So whatever this data, it may be binary information, it may be pulse modulated signal like in this way, it may be digital computer input or output. It will transmit through a transmission line. So it may be wired like LAN cable or wireless like a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. signal. Okay. So at that time, suppose there is due to the external effect. A noise may be produced. It can produce noise. Or instead of 1011, sometime maybe error can be generated. So here see that 101 and here there is error. The noise is such that the fourth bit and then again this bit. So the value of this bit is change. Information change. Okay. So that means there is error and it is called as an error. And not actual signal like is in this way. It receive instead of this 10 10 00 11. The data is received and here it is error is generated in this to be. So an external noise introduced in physical communication medium can change the bit value from 0 to 1 here or 1 to 0. And error correction code can be used to detect the error during the transmission line. What is the function? Error detection code it detect the error. Detect the error cannot be generated, but the detected error cannot be corrected by error detection code, only for detection purpose. Remember that. If I will add some circuit or additional bit here by generation circuit, and here one detector circuit, so we can detect the error. Remember that thing, we cannot be correct the error, only we can detect the error. At that time, the receiver say that this is a wrong package, resend the data from sender side. This will you understood into the later on about the algorithm and big circuit, how we can detect and remove the error. So the detection error cannot be corrected, but it is the presence indicated. The purpose, the usual purpose is to observe the frequency of error. If error occurs only once a while or at random or without a pronounced effect on the overall information can be transmitted, then either nothing is done or the particular error message is transmitted again and again. But if error occurs so often as to distort the meaning of the received information, the system is checked that for malfunction. So for that, we need some extra information added with the whatever the original information, and this extra information here it is called as a parity bit. A parity bit is an extra bit included with a message to make the total number of ones either odd or even. Remember that thing. A parity bit, which is an extra bit included with a message to make the total number of ones either odd or even. So now let's see how two different type of odd or even. Here there is a two way is possible. A number of ones may be odd or number of ones may be even. So let's see how we can make the error detection code in this concept. Now let's see, suppose my message is always 4-bit, the package is 4-bit. So as we know that there is a 16 combinations are possible, because the only two values 0 and 1 possible. So according to it, 4 bits which contain a 16 combination. Okay. So this 15 combination, let's see, suppose I have to add parity odd. My parity bit or whole circuit only detect the odd number of ones. So here 0, 0, 0, 0. How many number of ones are there? No. That means it is 0 times 0 is a even number. So I need a 1 bit. 0, 0, 0, 1. How many times 1? 1 time. So 1 itself odd number, so there is no need. 0, 0, 1, 0. So again here only 1 time 1. So no need to add 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. 2 times are there, and 2 is an even number, so there is require 1 more number. Means if the number of 1 is even time, the parity bit, odd parity is 0. If there is an even time 1, there is required odd parity 1. Here 1, 2, 3, 3 times. So 3 is a odd number, so there is no need. Here 1 time 1 is there, so no need. 2 time 1 and 2, so there is required third one, so it will become 3. So total 4 plus 1, 5 combination is such a way that the total number of bits are odd. Here 3 1, so no need, 3 no need, and 4, so 4, so there is equal 1 parity. So this is called as a odd parity. While remember that thing, the P is chosen such that the all sum of all ones, 4 plus 1, 5 messages, the all ones are in odd, in all 5 bits. So P is chosen such that the sum of all one is odd. And in even parity, this is a second example. Suppose my circuit is working on even parity, so all number of ones are even. So here 0, 0, 0, so there is no need. Remember that thing, even parity is always the complement of odd parity, because the number of 1, 1, 1, 1, 2 times 1, so there is require 1 bit. Remember that thing. Okay. So whenever the number of bits are even, that time it require odd parity. So, and here we can say that's a simply complement of to each other. So odd parity, or this one is the even parity. Here it's a combination of even parity table. Okay. 2 1, so odd parity is required. Only 1 1, so odd parity is not required. So even parity is 1. During the transform from information from one location, sender to the receiver side, in the sending end, the message is contained 4 bit, sender send 4 bit vatta parity plus parity bit. Here it is received 4 bit plus parity bit, and parity checker circuit check that error is present or not. Okay, suppose this is even parity working, or let's say odd parity working. So parity detector, a parity generator is there always. At sender, the parity generator circuit is there. Here parity checker circuit is there. So suppose example, the message is 0 1 1 0. Okay, plus parity bit odd 1. So now the whole message is 0 1 1 0 1. It transmit from sender to receiver side, and it received 0 1 0 0 1. Okay. So what happened? The one number of ones are in even time. So that means detect error. Why? Because ones in even time. Okay, remove that thing. Once detected even time, so it detects the error. Error is here in this bit. When the parity, this system is failed, in which situation the system will become failed? Parity error code fail when even numbers of bits are changed. Remember that. Okay. Suppose instead of 0 1 0 1, it detect 1 0 1 0 and parity bit is 1. The circuit will say that there is no error. Okay, remember that thing. 0 1 1 0 plus parity 1 in odd parity, transmit and receive detect 1 0 1 0 plus 1. It says no error, but there is actual error because the number of ones are odd here, number of ones are odd here, but all 4 bits are changed. So calculation is matched. Calculation is matched, but the parity cannot be detect the error. So the parity method detect the presence of 1, 3 or any odd combination of error. Remember that thing. 1, 3 or any, but if even number of errors are there, the parity error detection code is failed. So remember that thing. In future when we discuss about the digital circuit design, we have to remember about that thing, in which situation the error detection code connected with the parity will be failed, in which situation. So I hope, is it making sense? What is the meaning of error detection code? We are starting with the sender and receiver circuit, and how the extra bit we add, it is known as error detection code, which only detect the error. It cannot be corrected. Remember that thing. The first limitation is that. Second thing is that the parity is bit, additional bit, which is useful to error detecting code, and most popular method is that. Only extra bit include with the message that the total number of ones are either odd or even. So two types are there, parity, odd and even. And the odd is in this way, and even we have find out in this way. Okay. And then we take the one example. In this way the error can be detected, but error is always in terms of odd bit, 1, 3, 5, in this way. But if even number of bits are changed, the system is failed, which we explain and seen in this example. So have a good day and have a good journey.